Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change backdrop color in Photoshop. Select a solid color and add any color of your choice. Click OK. Change the blend mode to multiply. Press Ctrl-J and duplicate the layer. Change the blend mode to screen. Go to Blending option. Click OK. Hold Shift to select both layers. Press Ctrl-G to create a group. Hide the group layer and select the subject layer. Select Object Selection tool. Visible group layer. Hold Alt and add layer mask. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.